Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I am doing something that I don't typically do on here, and I'm going to sublimate a wind spinner. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. So I'm starting out with, I have two types of wind spinners, the round one and this Christmas tree shape one. I'm getting ready for a craft show, so I had to do a bunch of these wind spinners up, and each one of them are different. They come with these little hooks that actually spins, and you just attach it after that you've sublimated it. So I got this image from FABRICA, and I thought this would make a good one for the Christmas tree. So I'm going to go ahead, there's a protective layer on both sides, and I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And I've already preheated my press to 400 degrees. And you're going to press this for 400 degrees at 40 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the protective covering for the other side as well. And I believe this is about 10 inches wide by 10 inches tall, but I did just a little bit bigger than that to print out so that I made sure every bit was covered. Like I said, I got this image from FABRICA. I will list it in the description box below if you're interested. And I'm going to go ahead and line this up to where I want it. And then I'm going to use heat-resistant tape to attach this to the back. I'm going to go ahead and place this in my heat press with the image side facing down. And then once that's cooled, I do it again to press the other side. Once that is cooled down, I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape. And you could already see the first image that I pressed. And of course, with this, because it spins, you want it to be the same image. I don't know what it would do if you did two different images. But then to actually use this, you have to kind of shape it. So you're going to take the inside tree, or the inside of whichever design, and you are going to go ahead and bend that up. First, apparently I'm going to attach the hanger, and this has like a little clip, and then where you can spin, it just spins round and round. So here I'm going to go ahead now and show you what it looks like with it bent. And this bends fairly easy, but not so easy that you're just going to break it. So then I'm going to show you, I'm going to take it outside to show you what it actually looks like. And here it is spinning, and I just think it's so pretty. And I have done so many of these different designs and everything, but yeah. Getting ready for my craft show. But I really hope you enjoyed this quick video today. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.